It's a great way to spend 15 or 20 minutes after work every day. Come down and cast the line. Watch the birds coming back, heading home for the night. It's cool being out here. Gives traffic a chance to die down a little bit. So it's all good. It's very pretty out here. Clouds are rolling through. I'm using the Dragon Tail Tenkara rod, their Hellbender model, and I really like this rod, and I like the way it's set up. I can just leave it in my car. Rides around in this little knit sleeve, and it goes inside an aluminum tube. And then I've got all my fly stuff just in a one of those little Pelican box. Keeps it dry, but it keeps it protected. I've got a lanyard with one of the Night Eyes clips on it, so when I'm in the boat I can clip it in. I don't have to worry about losing it if I capsize. Just watch an osprey catch a fish. No luck for me, but the osprey caught one right at dusk. It was pretty cool, big splash. Anyway, thanks for watching, and now it's an adventure.